In today's video, we'll be building this beautiful dashboard in Power BI Desktop. This is part 2 of our series on YouTube Analytics with Power BI. In part 1, we looked at the semantic model. So today, we'll be expanding upon that semantic model. And hint, in part 3, we'll explore how to publish and manage this dashboard on Power BI's online platform. So subscribe now to make sure you don't miss that video when it's uploaded. Okay, so the primary objective of my dashboard is to monitor the overall performance of my YouTube channel. And the key metrics I'm tracking are the total number of subscribers and the total watch time in hours. So these two metrics are crucial as one of my goals is to monetize my channel. I'm also tracking the average watch time in minutes and the click-through rate in percentage. These metrics help me understand how engaging my viewers find my content. So before we start creating our visuals, I'd like to bring your attention back to the semantic model. So remember that before you even start working on your visuals and your reports and all that, make sure you have a correctly designed and a well-designed semantic model in place. So first reminder, your semantic model is your data model. Recommended that you have your star schema model set up, okay, and then you can add or you extend your data model with your measures, your calculated columns or your calculated tables. Okay, so these three, your data models, your measures, your calculated columns and your calculated tables together makes up your semantic model. So your semantic model is actually the foundation of your report. Okay, so never go on and create your visuals if you don't have a correctly designed and a well-designed semantic model in place. Okay, so for this dashboard, it's a very simple semantic model. I've got two dimensions, the date dimension. I'll just zoom in a bit. So I've got the date dimension and the video dimension. Okay, and I've got two fact tables, the fact views table and the fact video stat table. And I've also got two lookup tables and a table for my display measures. So that is my semantic model that will support my main dashboard here. Okay, so let's get started. So this is our completed dashboard, and the aim is for us to recreate this dashboard in this new report page here. So the first step is to set the theme of the report. So themes help ensure that your reports and dashboard have a consistent look and feel. So I'll just show you the theme that I have set up. So I'll click on customize current theme. So the three main primary colors of my theme are red, white and light gray. So under themes you can change the colors, the text, the visuals, page and the filter pane. Okay, I haven't modified all these other options. I've just modified the color theme. So once your theme is set up, you can manually change your color, your theme here. Once your theme is set up, you can go still under the theme menu. You come and you can save your current theme. So once you click on save current theme, Power BI will export your theme to a JSON file. So that's quite good because you can then reuse the theme in other projects as well. So I'll just cancel that since I've already got my theme set up. Okay, so that's the first step, is to set the theme of your report. Okay, next we'll set the canvas settings. So click on the report page and then over to format your report page. Click on canvas settings. We'll change the default from 16:19 to custom. So that's where we can change the height and the width. So I'll just set my height now. Okay, so let the fun begin. Now we'll start to add our visuals to the report page. I'll add the report header image. Next, I'll add the gauge visuals. So that brings us to the end of the video. Of course, you can go in and resize the visuals to make them well aligned and all that, but the video is going to be too long, so I'm going to end here. So this is basically the process that you can go through to create your dashboard and sort of iterate on that to realign your visuals for them to look beautiful and to have a dashboard like I have here. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something in this video, and I'll talk to you in the next one.